Question is, a block of mass m is placed on a smooth inclined wedge ABC of inclination theta as shown in the figure. The wedge is given an acceleration a towards the right. The relation between a and theta for the block to remain stationary on the wedge is. So now coming to the solution, the scenario in this question is depicted here, right? The object is placed on this inclined wedge with theta angle, and all the forces which are being applied on this object are shown by these arrows, right? So now in non-inertial frame, n sine theta equals to ma, that is this force should be equals to this, and n cos theta equals to mg, that is this n cos theta equals to mg. So we will divide equation 1 by 2. We will divide this equation 1 by 2, which will come out to be tan theta equals to a over g. So a equals to g tan theta. Therefore, the option 4 is the right answer.